In today's video, I will walk you through how to view your transaction history on Bitfinex. Your transaction history is a useful record of the activity on your Bitfinex account. It allows you to review deposits, withdrawals, transfers, trades, and other account transactions, making it easier to track your activity and verify completed actions. To begin, navigate to the Wallets section of your Bitfinex account. This is where you can view your balances and access additional wallet management features. From here, go to Reports and tap it. Once you open the transaction history page, you'll see a list of your recent account activity. Depending on the type of transaction, the list may include deposits, withdrawals, internal wallet transfers, and other wallet-related records. Each entry typically displays important details, such as the transaction date, asset, amount, and current status. If you're looking for a specific transaction, use the available filters to narrow down the results. You can usually filter your history by transaction type, wallet, asset, or date range. Applying filters makes it much easier to locate a particular record, especially if your account has a large number of transactions. Select a transaction to view more detailed information. Depending on the transaction type, you may see additional details, such as transaction IDs, destination addresses, blockchain confirmations, processing status, or internal transfer information. It's a good habit to review your transaction history regularly. Monitoring your account activity helps you confirm deposits and withdrawals, verify completed transfers, and quickly identify any unexpected activity if it ever occurs. And that's how you can view your transaction history on Bitfinex. By using the available filters, reviewing transaction details, and checking your account reports when needed, you can easily keep track of all the activity within your account.